Hi, in this video, we're going to continue our MCP server journey in Axway's Amplify Fusion. This is part 4 of the series, so if you haven't seen the first 3, go take a look at them. And in the last video, we created this GetMagicPetsByStatus, and if I called it from Postman and I checked for pending pets, I got a list of pending pets. So the thing we want to do in this video is we'd like to do some reduction of the payload, because I don't know that I need the tags and the photo URLs and all the information that's in here. And also I need to do some error checking. So if you recall, we really had the OpenAPI client, which was calling the petstore FindPetByStatus. And we took that response. We took this pet array response, and we just mapped it to the result of the text content like that. Now the problem is, what if it's null? And also, do we really want to be passing in that much data? So what I'd like to do is remove that, and I'm going to copy this response, copy node, and what I will do in the next step, probably can do it in that same component, but for clarity, what I'll do is I will paste this, and we'll call this reducedPetsArray, and I will map, well, first we'll clean it up. I only want the ID, name, and the category name, so I'll get rid of category ID. I'll get rid of the photo URL, the tags array, and the status. We already know the status, we passed it in. And what we'll do is let's map ID to ID, name to name, and category name to name. All right. And now I'm going to check. I'm going to check if that array is null or not. So if it's null, if the reduced pet array is null, we will map the output. So I'll use a map component, and we will set the output as follows. Let's just set value and say no. Let me grab the status. So no approved or sold or pending pets were found. So that's a friendly response if the API returns no pets. And let's save that. And remember that in here, we actually set the tool response type to TextContent. And now, if it's not null, then we can map the reduced array. So let's expand this, result, content, and then I'll pass the reduced array here. And I don't know how to get the pet store to return null, so we'll be able to check that path, but we can at least make sure everything is working by activating our API, our MCP server. And let's reconnect. And again, just to be clear, let's look at how much data is here. Let me unescape it. Oh, it hasn't changed. So that is all the data we were passing before, and now let's see what happens this time. I'll connect. I will use this tool, and we'll do pending again, and let's run it. And let's see what we have this time. No, you can see it's a lot smaller. Copy. Let's unescape it. And then let's beautify it. And I have just the name, the category name, and the ID. So in this video, we took a look at doing some error checking so that we can provide a proper response, either an array of pets or a message that no pet, no available, or no sold pets were found. And we also reduce the data to just what we need our LLM or whatever the client that's connecting to our MCP server to display. Thank you.